Hello everyone, welcome to another video on PRINCIPETV. Today we have the Mavic 2 Pro and we're going to take it for a nice flight. Beautiful cold night here in New York. We recently had a snowstorm, so I thought, hey, why not bring the drone up and see what it looks like at night. Enjoy the view. Let's do this. Alright, so my remote control died on me and I don't know where my drone is going. I literally lost it. Where are you? Oh my God, I can't believe this. Where is it? Come on, show me a sign. Oh, there it is. Oh my God. You scared me. Oh my God. So happy. I can't believe it. Woo! It came to me. Oh man. I'm so happy. Hey. Thank you for coming back. Oh my God. Can't believe this. The drone came back to me, guys. Oh. So check this out, guys. My remote control died mid-air as I was flying this baby, and I was like literally like 3 miles away, and I couldn't find the drone. I literally lost it, and of course automatically goes up 400 feet and then comes back to its destination, and it literally just came back to me. Whoa, I'm so hyped about this right now. The only thing is, to land there, I'm gonna have to hand it because my remote control is not working, so let's try this. There we go. Oh, yeah. That's what I love about DJI, baby. Yeah, it came right back to me. That's amazing. Guys, if you're gonna get a drone, make sure it's DJI because this technology is amazing. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this one.